Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video. And this one is again a non-phone chat and text job lead. We will not waste any time. We will go ahead and dive right in. I do just want to quickly say, if this job lead is helpful or if any job leads that I share is helpful, please like and share this video and make sure it gets out to all your friends and family members so we can all work from home and live our best, happy, healthy lives. But with that being said, Planned Parenthood is hiring a full-time telecommuter work-from-home chat text specialist. Now, they are looking for a specialist to be responsible for supporting their live chat text team, including chat text leadership and chat text participants on the affiliate staff, with a special emphasis on new staffing and protocols supporting abortion wayfinding. The purpose of the chat text specialist is to support the day-to-day operations of the user and the staff experience on the chat text team. You'll build and manage the schedule for the team of 70 to 100 affiliate employees to ensure that the live chat line is adequately staffed and working across all hours per week. You'll manage the systems for delivering and tracking one-on-one staff coaching requests. You'll support the chat text staff mentors to analyze the program data. You'll review live chat text interactions and report any assurance for quality user and education experience. So you'll be reviewing to verify that they did the correct job and action. You'll update and track any scripted messages that are used. You'll support live and virtual new educator trainings, and you'll assist managers and mentors on digital health education and training initiatives. So they are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of progressively responsible professional experience. An ideal candidate will have experience working with a large group of stakeholders. You need to have knowledge of Google Suite, Slack, and Zoom, a commitment to customer service and problem solving, high attention to detail. They need someone who is a self-starter and also has strong oral and written communication skills. So they have the minimum salary listed for this position as $67,000 a year. So it is possible that depending on the skills and experience that you bring to the table, they could offer you more than this, but this is the absolute lowest that they will pay for this position, which is great for a work from home non-phone job. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please leave in the comments anything that you are specifically looking for, whether it is non-phone, healthcare, any education and experience that you have. I always keep those in mind when looking for job leads to share, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.